told you, if you're not winning, you're not watching. It's true. Your boy brings you winners, and we bring them to you first. And get ready, because the cannabis stocks, they can explode. That's right. They're going to explode.
Diversification is a protection against ignorance. I mean, if you want to make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market, you own everything. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses. If you know how to analyze businesses and value business, it's crazy going for 20 stocks or 30 stocks.
Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Watch Rich TV.
Rich like me.
Invest in companies and businesses that you can see still be successful 2 years from now. That's the Warren Buffett model. Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. The resurrection is coming, so get ready. I told you, if you're not winning...
Oh. The hell?
Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live. The resurrection is coming, so get ready. I told you, if you're not winning, you're not watching. It's true. Your boy brings you winners, and we bring them to you first. And get ready.
Mad shout out to Avon for the song.
They can explode. That's right. They're going to explode.
Diversification is a protection against ignorance. I mean, if you want to make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market, you own everything. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses. If you know how to analyze businesses and value business, it's crazy going for 20 stocks or 30 stocks.
Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Watch Rich TV. Rich like me.
Invest in companies and businesses that you can see still being successful 2 years from now. That's the Warren Buffett model. Invest in the best is blessed, and invest in companies that you've identified the number one pick. And if you've been buying Truly for the last 5 months and writing with me, you're up between 75 to 80%. Congratulations to everyone.
Epic. The song is epic. Yo, I can listen to this all day long, man. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't even know what to say. I was given this song by Avon, and he made a couple different formats of it. Is this the last one?
Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live.
This is the new one.
The resurrection is coming, so get ready.
Yo, shout out to Avon, man.
You're not winning. You're not winning.
SBES, SBES, SBES. There's the pick. SBES. Let's go. Explode.
Diversification is a protection against ignorance. I mean, make sure that nothing bad happens to you relative to the market. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that is a perfectly sound approach for somebody who does not feel they know how to analyze businesses. If you know how to analyze businesses and value business, it's crazy.
Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich like me.
Invest in companies and businesses that you can see still being successful 2 years from now. That's the Warren Buffett model. Invest in the best is blessed, and invest in companies that you can identify the number one pick. And if you've been buying Truly for the last 5 months,
True.
you're up between 75 to 80%. Congratulations to everyone.
Rich Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich TV. Rich like me.
Oh, damn. Yo, that's lit, bro. Avon. That is lit, bro. So there's a stock, and I want you guys to be very careful. It's a very risky stock. It's got a stop sign. I have no idea who's really behind this company. The symbol is SBES. I want to give a shout out to Brent. He brought us South Beach Spirits Inc. when it was a sub-penny stock. It is now at 1.5 cents. It's up like 1,000% since Brent brought it to our community first. And there are members that are winning on South Beach Spirits Inc. all over the world, thanks to Brent within the Rich TV Live community. And I had to bring it to you guys. I just had to give you another Christmas gift. Because if a stock is up 43%, you know your boy has to bring it to you first. I haven't heard nobody else talk about this stock. Now, I'm not suggesting you go buy it. It has a stop sign. Very, very risky. Very, very risky. There's probably a bunch of skeletons in the closet, but you never know. They might clean them up. And the reality is members are winning on SBES, a penny stock that has been exploding. Now, there's a lot of other stocks that are up too, and we're going to talk about them too. But SBES, SBES. I think we have a special song for these types of stocks. I mean, because it's just been going and going and going and going. So I got to give a shout out to my boy, Ill Kid, because he has a very special song for these situations for South Beach Spirits Inc. For these situations, he has a special song. It's an 88% buy on bar chart, which means it has the big mo for momentum. It's true. And that's why right now we are putting them, be careful, buyer beware, very risky. It's a penny stock at 1.5 pennies, and it's up. Oh, it's up. It's up big. Since Brent brought it to our community, it is up huge. Enormous. Enormous growth. Since Brent brought it. Brent, if you're live with us, what price did you bring it to our community? At what price did you bring it to our community? Because SBES needs to be on a full alert. I'm not suggesting you chase the greens, but you need to add it to your watch list, add it to your radar. Something crazy is going on, and the people deserve to know. I'm not like the rest of the YouTubers talking about Aurora Cannabis yet again. I'm talking about SBES. Be on a full alert. Duran has been in since 0006. Woo! You getting rich, bro? You getting rich? Woo! Nice, Nathan.
Y'all motherfuckers about Aurora and how was gonna blow up and Kira did the same and make you throw up. I was talking about Kush bottles,
KSHB.
I was talking about I ain't this and
What they gon' be?
It was BBO. We gave you all the answers.
TRSC shit, you know we can't trust.
Don't forget about Africa. We brought you into harvest, but why you still hate on the kid? Why that shit is far-fetched? Just the
52-week low. This is how it goes. Rich TV is here, but to make some dough.
Yeah, right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in the backwater, and we puffing clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Let me take you to the future with ACD on top and Afria right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some man. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Dealing with the fever, that shit diva with the heater. You can leave that shit with Beaver.
I don't fuck with non-believers.
I got fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, you gon' make some green. XLY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap to tell you that you copping that Vivo. I buy that in my Speedo with eyes closed, eating a burrito or eating on some fucking Cheetos. Yeah, you know you buy that shit. It's a new strike on these haters, and the missile get you hit. Yo, bow down, I ain't a hater like you. You bow down to a greater trader than you. You bow down, I ain't a hater like you. You bow down to a greater trader than you. Yeah, full alert, it's full alert. Yo, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, it's full alert. Yo, full alert, it's full alert. TV Live, Ill Kid in the fucking building.
So SBES has been absolutely on fire. Congratulations to everybody who has benefited from that move. If there's anything else that's popping that you guys want to talk about, please let me know. We can look at it now while we're live and interactive here on Rich TV Live. For some reason, I don't know why. Here we go. Any sub-penny stocks for TSX? You know what? I can't think of any sub-penny stocks on the TSX. But I know that SBES has been doing extremely well for our community, so I thought I'd bring it to your attention. You like VRUS? Okay. And I'm not suggesting go and buy penny stocks. Penny stocks are very, very risky. It's just that SBES has been the one that Brent's been talking about, and it just keeps going up. So, you know, I thought we'd at least go live and talk about it because nobody's talking about it. So we might as well talk about it. If it's going to go up every day and make people money, we at the very least should talk about it. Now, the one issue I have is I don't know who controls the control block in this company because it looks as though it used to be owned, the control block, by Minamar Group, who then sold their control block to Mehua Exu. I have no idea who that is. I'm just trying to read the 8K and try to figure this out. So I don't know much about this company, and they have a stop sign, but I do know that they've been on fire and the stock has been just going crazy. So I do know that. I know that for a fact. But who knows what types of skeletons they may have in the closet. You know, stop sign, it could be extremely risky, so I would be careful. But nonetheless, members have been making money and doing extremely well. It's an 88% buy on bar chart. Looks like it's very, very bullish right now on bar chart, actually. You like VRUS, future play, eh? Yeah, AMD has been on fire. Same with Apple. Apple has been on fire and AMD has been on fire. Visa has been on fire. A lot of stocks that are doing extremely well right now in this melt-up market of 2019 headed into the melt-up of 2020. It's coming. It's coming. What else is popping, folks? What else is popping? What else is popping? SBES South Beach Spirits Inc. is a penny stock that is being talked about in our group chat on Telegram, and members are making a killing. Want to put it on your watches, put it on your radar. I'm not suggesting you go buy it. It's up big. So you don't want to chase something up 45%. But this is something that has literally been going up every day for the last, let's see if I can take a look at the chart here. My goodness. I mean, this thing. This was at 0006. Wow. This was at 0006, October 31st. Unbelievable. So 0006 stock is now at a penny and a half. So this stock is up about 25 times. So if you bought this at 0006, you would have made 25 times your money since October 31st. So $1,000 would have made you 25 grand. Crazy, right? Absolutely crazy. Let's take a look at the security details. 814 million shares issued and outstanding. However, only what it says, 56 million shares in the float. Par value of 001. I definitely need to do more research on this company. Get to know it better. Interesting. Very interesting company. South Beach Spirits. Have an eye for Xiaomi. It is exploding at the moment. What's the symbol? Felipe says crypto VeChain Canadian now at 008, expected to jump to 23 cents in 2020. Partner with BMW in China. That's an interesting pick. Thank you for sharing. If there's any picks that you guys want to talk about right now, please, let's talk about it. We'll pull them up, do some due diligence. Another one that's doing extremely well today is ZoomAway Travel. Traded 1.3 million shares in Canada, up 16% right now. Is ZoomAway Travel now at 10.5 cents. Our community brought this one. We brought this one at 2 cents earlier this year. It is now at 10 cents. It's up 500% for our community. And they just announced, I believe today, that they are going to be moving to the OTC market. I believe that's the news and why the stock is popping. And this has been a great, great play for our entire community. Shout out to Justin, the Rich TV Live Rain Man, for bringing this pick. The news is ZoomAway begins a process for a dual listing on the OTCQB. This is the news that is circulating right now. This is the reason why the stock is up, everybody. ZoomAway Travel, we brought it to you first. It's up 500% since we brought it to you first earlier this year at 2 cents, now at 10.5 cents in Canada. ZoomAway Travel, a ZMA in Canada. A leader in the hospitality technology sector is very pleased to announce it has begun the process to become listed on the OTCQB market. This is huge. The company has retained legal representation to facilitate the process in response to an increased interest from investors in the United States to ensure that investors in the United States are to be more fully participate. Steve Rosenthal, CFO of ZoomAway Travel, commented, "This is coming at an opportune time for the company. Our goal with this is to open the door to US investors, especially those in Silicon Valley, who have very instrumental in advancing other online businesses. The exposure to the equities market of both the United States and Canada should raise investor awareness of Zoomed Out." Unbelievable. Great news. And that's why this is right now doing extremely well today. And that's why the stock is up. to be quite frank. That's why the stock is up. It's not because of revenue, because we haven't seen huge revenue growth yet. Yet being the key word. And when ZooMaway Travel does have revenue, watch out. That baby's going to blow. Fat Nut says TCCO this week went from a little bit over $1 to a little bit over $10. 52-week high plus 10. Ooh, damn. Missed that move. XIACF. You know what? I've never heard of it. I'm going to have to look into it. XIACF. Let's see if it pulls up. Exomi Corp. XIACF. At $1.30. Up 3%. 435,000 shares. Yeah, they've had a big move here. Had a nice move for sure. I need to research these guys and figure out what they do and what they are. Never even heard of them. So many companies, guys. There's so many companies. But the one that I wanted to bring to your attention that's been on fire is SBES. It's been absolutely on fire for our community. So I wanted to bring it to your attention. Going into the close, what else is popping? If there's anything else that's popping that we need to talk about, let us talk about it now. We are green in Canada and the United States, slightly in the cannabis sector, which is good. Looks like MedMen is going to finish the day as the biggest gainer. Harborside, HBOR, is also up 16%. MedMen right now is up 19%. HBOR is up 16%. Meta is up 13.95% at now 24.5 cents. As predicted, it would be. I brought it to you guys at 17 cents. Canada Royalty up 8%. Afria up 4%. Fire up 4%. CXXI up 2.5%. Oxley up 2.5%. GW Pharma now at $108, up 2.2%. Good to see the cannabis stocks are green. All right, guys, we only got a little bit of time until the market's going to close today and until the week is going to close. Is there anything else that's popping that we need to talk about while we are live? Please let me know. Yes, ZooMaway Travel has partnered with Google Maps. It's true. MCLD up 920%. Yeah, MCLD did a reverse. MCLD did a reverse. Yeah, MCLD did a reverse to $3.45. Is there any other stocks or penny stocks that are running right now that we need to talk about? DRVD. Yes, DRVD has been absolutely crazy. DRVD, Driven Deliveries Inc., has been on a tear. Now up 10% again today at $2.04. These guys were at like 50 cents. Wow. These guys were at 50 cents December 3rd. They're now at $2.10. One of the hottest cannabis companies out there, Driven Deliveries, DRVD. Thank you for the pick. I know a lot of you guys have been telling me about this one, man. I have not given this one the attention it deserves. It's been absolutely on fire. Yeah, MCLD, Universal McLeod, did a reverse because apparently they're looking to uplist to a senior exchange. So that's why they did a reverse, which is a good sign for the company. It means they're doing the right things. I don't really like a reverse to get uplisted. It's not really my preferred method, but if it works, it works. I mean, you can't complain if there's going to be results. If it works, it works. But I've always been under the impression that if a company does a reverse, it should help or hinder their ability to get to a senior exchange, not help their ability to get into a senior exchange. So I think that's an odd way to do it, but everybody has their way of doing things. You know what I mean? I can't tell them how to run their business. Yeah, DRVD has been absolutely epic. This is what I'm trying to say to you guys. We're in the cannabis sector where right now we're going to see stocks do a multiple. Stocks are going to do a multiple. It's going to be normal to see stocks go up 100, 200, 300, 400% because everything has been decimated. So there's a long ways up. And some of them are going to go up, especially the good ones. They're going to go up. The bad ones won't. Bad ones will fail. But the good ones will go up. And if they go up, we need to benefit from it. This is why as a community, we need to watch everything that's happening every single day. And if there's a stock that's flying, we got to talk about it. And we got to talk about it first. Just like we brought Zoomaway Travel first. And right now we're bringing SBES first before anybody else on the planet. Haven't seen anybody on YouTube talk about SBES, South Beach Spirits Inc. Just saying. Haven't heard anybody talk about it. If I'm wrong, let me know. Please let me know. South Beach Spirits Inc. I know our community's been talking about it, and Brent brought it to us when it was at what? Try to see if I can find their website. There is a sbescorporate.com. Let's see. See if this talks a little bit about this company. I want to know more about the business. Yeah, it's going up, but I want to know about this business. There's not, like, I don't know where you guys are finding all your info on this company. I want to find more info on this company. I read their 8K. Seems like there's been a lot of management changes. Like, why do they have no news? Oh, here we go. SBES. The other thing that worries me about SBES has got a stop sign. Like, some dangerous stuff. Stop signs. Why do they got a stop sign? It means they're typically, you usually have a stop sign if you're not fully reporting. You're not up to date on your financials. That's not good. So we need to be careful. We definitely need to be careful. I want to see if they have any news. See no news? Weird. But yeah, it's going up like crazy. I don't know, man. It seems very hectic. Very hectic. Very hectic. You have FOMO for SBES? It's like my FOMO goes away when I do the research and I can't find anything. Then it gets really hectic. It's like, why? Like, why is there nothing and it's going up? What is going on? So I don't know. It's important to do your due diligence and do your research and see what you're investing in, guys. I'm not saying that SBES won't continue to go up. It's been going really, really well for our members, and I hope it continues. I'm just trying to do the due diligence, and it's just weird that it's making it difficult for me to find anything. That worries me. That really worries me. I want to give a shout out to Ill Kid for making this song. It's called Join Rich TV. I love the community, man, because you guys keep bringing us content like there's nobody's business. I can't even keep up with all the content you guys are bringing. If you guys go to a dispensary or do a review, send it to me, man. I'll post it. Put your name out there.
Watch me dance, I'm a prance like an antidote.
Yo, shout out to Ill Kid, man, for this song right here. This song's dope. In the meantime, while we listen to this song, if there's any pics I need to look at that are popping, let me know. I'll be doing the same.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the incredible Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV.
2.0 is Tuesday. Let's go.
Rich TV, what we talk about stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green.
Something you never seen.
Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. You can join the group.
I think they're waiting, man. I think Monday you're gonna see a flood of news.
Channel from a minor to a major, yeah, we players in the damn game, now they wanna pay us. You wanna advertise your stock, you can come and holler. We got members that are ready to drop all them dollars. Back it up, we can back it up. 20,000 subscribers, oh my God, you can add it up. Comment below, getting on the go. Sell it up high, then we buy it down low. We brought you pivot, we the shit there. What's your decision? Either standing or you sitting. Making so many videos, I'm like, here we go. So many controls, damn, I'm like, adios. I'm staying positive, all the members are dope too. If you want to get big money, we can show you. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV.
Nice. Let's go. Bring them on the show.
Something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 We in the second round. Look where I am. He told you what to get. Yeah, he told you what I am. Getting busy. Getting busy. You wanna upload your kid like who is he? The market crazy.
Manipulation.
I'm finna get this money. It's all in the drumming.
Good weed. Good weed.
I roll it up. I scoop it up. I'm like,
Ooh wee.
look back, who you think brought you
Chemistry.
Now it's up 100%, that's the recipe. That's the antidote. Damn, yeah, your man is dope. Watch me dance, I'm a prance like an antelope. Zena, you know that we been blessed. I'm talking about the stock, not the warrior princess. Watch the big stocks rocket through the roof. And if you looking for winners, you can fucking join the group. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green. Something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. What we talk about stocks, cash, charts, limits, red, green. Something you ain't never seen. Welcome to Rich TV. Welcome to Rich TV. You can join the group. 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 You can join the group.
It's one-stop Ill Kid, dropping hits, fitness, 24/7. It's truth. Rich TV Live and Ill Kid.
That's pretty cool. Crypto Man saying that I just called SBES and they said they might come on the show. Let's get them on the show, man. Then we would know more about the company. I'd love to know more about the company. I don't see too much news, but the stock is running. Our members are winning on it. They're shareholders. So we would love to know more about SBES and bring them more exposure, similar to what we did with Zoomaway Travel. And now everybody's trying to tell you they brought Zoomaway first. Apparently everyone else is trying to say that they brought Zoomaway first. So before anybody else tries to say that they brought SBES first, I want to make sure that our community and we bring SBES first. I wanted to make sure that we brought SBES first before anybody else tries to take credit for SBES. Just like we brought Zoomaway Travel first, and we actually interviewed them and brought them on our show when they were a 2-cent stock and nobody knew who they were. Now they're working with Google and they're at 10.5 cents, and it's been a 500% winner for our community. So congratulations to everybody who is taking advantage of Zoomaway Travel. Congratulations to everyone who is taking advantage of the move on SBES. If there's anything else that's moving that we need to look, we need to watch, we need to identify, we need to do the research, the due diligence, what would it be right now? We've got 42 minutes until market closes for another week, till we put another week in the books. What needs to be watched? Medman is up big, yes. But before they were up big today, they were down big. So this is what a lot of people would probably call a dead cat bounce. And the question is, will they come back down or will they continue to go up? I believe they will go up long term. Short term, who knows? It's very, very, very risky, very, very volatile. But long term, I believe they're going to go up because they're one of the bigger players in America. And I think they may be too big to fail. They might be too big to fail. Infinite Possibility says $. None at the moment. All I know is Waterways completes installation of the first Canaways irrigation and filterization system at the Kronos facility in Israel. Yeah, I think that Kronos is going to do very well. Very well. CB2 Insights. You like them? Ross Fleming says, also brought Else Nutrition first and interviewed them first, then other people follow. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a problem with people following. I don't. People can follow. I'm okay with that. Just don't hate. Just don't hate. You know what I mean? You can follow. Just don't hate. You know, talk about my picks. I'm okay with that. Just say, hey, I heard about this pick from Rich TV. That's all I'll ask. Give me some credit, man. You know, if I'm breaking picks first, give me a little credit. I have no problem giving credit to someone if they give me a pick. But for some reason, people want to take the credit for Zoom Away Travel. Next week, you'll hear people talking about South Beach Spirits, SBES, full alert. And then they'll be like saying that they brought it to you first. And I'll be laughing. I'll be like, McFly, hello, McFly. Anybody, hello? Anybody home? Hello, McFly, anybody home? The secret pick is SBES, South Beach Spirits Inc. And the other secret pick is one that I've been talking about a while, Zoom Away Travel, ZMA, Zoom Away Travel. And it just keeps getting better. That's another one of the picks that we brought first. It's up 500% for our members this year. And we all got in early at 2 cents. And I talked about it when it was at 2 cents. We had the CEO on the show when it was at 2 cents. Now it's at 10.5 cents, up 500% for members. It's just what we do. It's just what we do. Now SBES is on fire. Our members got in early. We've been talking about it in the Telegram. I didn't bring it up because it was under a penny, and I really don't want to talk about anything under a penny. But now that it's over a penny, I'm giving it some love. SBES, and I'm not telling you to buy it. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your due diligence, do your research. Past performance is not an indicator of future results. I do not have a crystal ball. Mind you, some people do call me Rich Stradamus. It's true. I've been known to be called Rich Stradamus. It's true. I can't guarantee what's going to happen with any stocks ever. All we can do is do the research, do the due diligence, find great companies, watch the news, look at the fundamentals, look at the financials, look at the assets, look at the liabilities, speak to the companies, speak to the management, and try to make great decisions. That's all we can do. If we do that, we give ourselves a chance to win. As a community, I believe we are getting better every day. As a community, we are literally finding picks within our groups, and members are making money. It's true. We need to continue to do this. We need to continue to do it more and more and more at a higher rate of success. We need to get better. We need to get bigger. And we will. We will. We have the blueprint. And we know exactly what it takes. We just got to take it to the next level. Five Finger Limited says, full alert, Rich TV Live, #1 show on YouTube. Yo, mad respect, bro. Mad respect, man. Yeah, man. Everybody have a great weekend. Let's finish the week off strong. We got what? 37 minutes left until market closes. SBES is having a huge day. MedMen is having a huge day. Meta. I brought you guys Meta a week ago. It was at 17 cents. It's now at 24.5 cents last time I looked. It is up around 50% since I brought you guys that alert, despite the fact that somebody messaged me today and said, I don't like your pick Meta. So why? Well, they're running out of money. How are they going to open up all those stores? I said, they're going to open up the stores. Watch my video. He said, well, how much money do they have in the bank? Tell me. Tell me right now. I'm driving at the time. He's like, tell me. I'm like, I don't need to tell you. Why do I need to tell you? I'm like, watch my video. I already broke it all down in my video. Now you want me to tell you? I don't need to do the work for you. If you want to know the answer, watch my video. I broke it all down in the video in detail when it was at 17 cents. And now it's at 24. And you're telling me not to tell my community about this pick that I've brought to my community is up 50%. You're telling me not to talk to my community about this pick. You know what he says to me after that? He says, it's going to go down. They're losing money. They're not making money. And I'm like, okay, well, that's your opinion. Since I've been talking about it since it was at 17 cents, it's gone up 50%. So I'm not telling you to buy it today. I told everyone to buy it when it was at 17 cents at the bottom. I'm not telling you to go and chase the green. You know what he says to me after that? He says to me, oh, I already bought it. I already made money on it. I said, pardon? So you're saying to me, don't talk about Meta to my community. Don't tell people that Meta is a good company. Then you're saying to me that you bought it? So you saw my video at 17 cents. You bought it. You sold it. You made money on it. Now you're calling me and telling me not to talk to my community about the same pick that you probably bought after my video at 17 cents, made money on it, sold, and now you're telling me not to talk to my community about the same pick that you just bought and sold? Am I in the Twilight Zone? Like, am I in the Twilight Zone? This is what I deal with every day, guys. Every single day I deal with this. Every single day. The same guy in the same conversation told me not to tell my community about Meta, despite the fact that Meta is up 50% since I told my community. And despite the fact that he made money on Meta, he's telling me that Meta has no money, that they're not going to have any money to grow their stores. But he just bought Meta, sold Meta, and made money on Meta. And now he's telling me not to tell my community about Meta, the same company that he just bought and sold. So I'm just like, do you not see my my point there? Like, why would you message me and tell me not to talk to my community about a winning pick that you just won on? I don't understand. I'm so confused. Like, I'm confused. Like, I was confused. I said, listen, bro, set up your own channel. That's what I said. I said, bro, set up your own channel, bro. Set up your own channel. I can't handle this. I can't handle you telling me not to tell my community to talk about a pick that's up 50% in a week, which clearly members have won on all over the world. It's been a successful pick. And you're telling me not to tell my community to buy that pick. Meanwhile, you bought the pick after my video, made money on it, and now you're calling me to tell me it's a bad pick. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. It's crazy, man. I don't know what to say. I'm at a loss for words, man. I'm honestly at a loss for words. Yeah, put me at a loss for words, man. Like, I'm seriously, like, I'm still like a little bit in shock. Here's a song for you guys, Weed Stocks to Watch. Because we like to make predictions here. Listen to the words. If there's anything I need to talk about, anything I need to watch, anything to look at, put it in the description.
Rich TV is in the house, big money. You know what it is? That's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, just the hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoy the show. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, just the hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, respect the hustle, cause the hustle never stops. I keep buying on the low and then I'm selling when it tops. How much you rich, he got the picks for the whole crew. You better listen up quick before it's old news. You never miss my shine straight like Invisalign. First place, shit, I got it locked like I'm 69. We shooting stars, blast off, watch your eye socket. We track stocks till they blow when they skyrocket. I roll my poems just like a haiku. Rich TV watching, that is my tool. I'm succeeding, I just keep up with the race. And if you fall and get back up, don't let it hit you in the face. We always learning when we making our mistakes. Don't feel bad about an L, cause winning is our fate. EO Kid, talking facts, I'ma guide you. And if you down with the cause, then you can ride too. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, cause I hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, I see the constellation working with its operation. Canopy is booming, I'm assuming that it's all with patience. Aurora, good feeling in my aura. I'm double down on everything that watch the fucker Sora. Chronos grew hot just like a bowl of soup. Invest in the best, Rich said it, you know the rules. You wanna listen to the others, you can go ahead. But I'm a spider on the wall like it's Charlotte's Web. I got the stamina when I'm buying half of you. Don't listen to the poor advice, that shit is bad for you. The hate is covered in face just like a masquerade. But my soul is at peace, I tell them namaste. Can't trust something that you can't trust. Canadian giant everywhere just like dandruff. I hug and kiss, you know what that is? XO. Parlez-vous français, I tell them hexo. Rich TV is in the house, big money, big stocks, that's what we all about. EO Kid is in the place, and we tearing up the game, staying on a paper chase. Can't nobody match the grind, cause I hustle every day. I know that we ain't got much time. I do this for the 52-week highs and the lows, how it goes. Hope you enjoy the show.
I like Hexo. I'm a shareholder of Hexo, and Hexo is partnered with Molson's, and that's a billion-dollar brand and a company and a firm. And I stand behind every company that I talked about in that song. And yeah, you know what? Companies like CanTrust, companies like Namaste, they've been beaten down, but even Hexo has, even Aurora has, even Afria has, lots of them have, but they still have a future. They have a future in the sector. And for me, I'm more focused on businesses that are going to be here. I'm not so focused on the prices. I'm more focused on companies that are going to last. Brands that people like, products that people like, brands that people like, companies that people want to buy their products, because those will be the companies that will be here in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So regardless of where they are today in year one of legalization in Canada, I'm focused on where they're going to be in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. And the companies that we talked about in that song are all going to be here. You can mark my words. Franco says, Molson did $2 billion in beer sales in Canada for 2019, saying weed can be bigger maybe than that. What do you think? I think weed is going to be bigger than any other industry in the world. Because with cannabis, you're talking about medicine. You're talking about weed. You're talking about CBDs. You're talking about edibles. You're talking about cannabis-infused beverages. You're talking about hemp. You're talking about research and development. You're talking about cures for disease like cancer, cures for just incurable illnesses like, children that have, epilepsy, seizures, people that have Down syndrome. Like, these are real issues, and there's all kinds of breakthroughs happening because of the miracle plant. It all stems from the miracle plant. This is why I love the cannabis sector and why I choose to be a cannabis enthusiast. Despite the fact that I invest in everything else, I want to be well diversified and invest in everything. But at the end of the day, my heart is in cannabis. I'll always bleed for green gold. When I bleed green. I do. Hexo earnings on Monday. Yeah, I don't expect the earnings to be huge. I think Hexo has a long ways to go, but I think Hexo is doing some good things. Like, I like the fact that they've got that product, which they're trying to go after the black market and have a lower price product. I think that's smart. I think that's revolutionary. Stuff like that, I like those moves. I think that that's going to differentiate them from a lot of the other companies that exist. And I've heard the product is good and it's well priced at $125 an ounce. So we don't get it here in Vancouver, but if we did, I would purchase it and I would test it and let you guys know. William says, my daughter be like, Daddy, what are you listening to? Me, sweetie, I'm learning about stocks. Hey, man, that's great, man. That was like my kids not too long ago. And before you know it, they start knowing and talking about stocks too, because they just sponges. They learn through osmosis. They'll pick up more than you think. I know that the songs are hot from Ill Kid because I get my kids to listen to it. And if my kids like it, then I know it's hot. If the kids don't like it, then, maybe it's not as good. So the kids will tell you whether or not they like it. They're real like that. Franco says, Hexo article came out saying 10K in Hexo today may turn into 100K in 2020. You think this is BS? I think it's very possible that Hexo could go up 10x in the future. I don't know when, but to go from $2 to $20 in the future, I think is very reasonable. Yeah, I think it's going to happen. I love Canopy Rivers. I'm a shareholder of Canopy Rivers. I love the deal with Kevin Durant and Canopy Rivers. I think Canopy Rivers is going to be an absolute giant. It's Canopy 2.0. It's Canopy's entrance into America. They've got a very rich, young entrepreneur, celebrity, athlete, superstar in Kevin Durant. And I think that they are going to do extremely well. William says, LOL, she likes it. She likes the music. Here, you know what? Let's get her to listen to this. I want her opinion on this song. Ask her if she likes this one, because my kids really like this one.
Cannabis stocks.
Oh, wait, hold on. This is my son's favorite song. I would love to know your daughter's opinion.
We don't need fancy presents.
So I'm all about the people here. I'm all about the community. This is my favorite song. This is the Ill Kid's first single with Rich TV Live. Other than our diss tracks, which were really good. I still have them. Still got them.
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now. Henny in my cup, yeah, straight up. I don't fuck with no ice cubes. Diamond stay dripping. I'm a white boy, nice whip with some nice moves. Bruce Lee smoking loose leaves. You swear I'm doing some kung fu. Got a trunk full of birds. Sit down, we playing duck, 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 goose. Yeah. I ain't beginning, I've been here before. Haters are mad, but like even the score. I lay on the beach, take a peek at the shore. My wife is a diamond, you sleep with a whore. I'm on the reserve in my chefy station. Looking the midgets so dirty that mean they good looking. And if you get caught, then you best to be cooking the recipe. Don't use a head of me. This is no kid to play. I got shit to say. I got homies in the CFL to the NBA. Word of juice anyways.
I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my cloud. You can just get off my cloud.
Haters, stop bringing me down.
I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now.
Talking my shit, do some rocky shit. 3 seconds, I'ma blast off. Alpha Omega, see, I am the past, present, future, really no mask off. Fucking with rich, we getting rich. Yeah, you know my stack strong. Smoking in Philly, it's silly, it's silly how many trolls trying to take along. Blaze through, then I'm back again. I got the keys and you can't get in. I do not take an L, so I just had to win. I run with killers and shooters and savages. I do not listen to you. I do not miss off the cue. I'm in the midst of Peru. Make no mistake, you in the lake, so they go fishing for you. Cute like my name was Drew. Yo, I mix and produce. Christopher's loose. Listen to haters, they broke, but it's funny. I'm getting money like I'm Mr. Magoo. Greedy as fuck, but I'm over the shit. I'm lyrical with it, you over the shit. Ghostwriters writing up all of your head. Your bitch is with me and she's sucking the dick. I don't do this for the clout. I don't do this for the clout. You can just get off my clout. You can just get off my clout. Haters, stop bringing me down. I know you loving the sound. I know you loving the sound. Baby, just look at me now.
So that is actually my son's favorite song.
I'm Jeff Bishop.
That's my
I'm the
favorite
co-founder
song.
of Radio-
But one of the most, and it's actually our most popular song on Rich TV Live. It has the most views. But one of the most, I think, epic songs is this. Yeah, I don't think Hexo's earnings are going to be that great. Not yet. Still early in the game, man. We early.
You know what it is? Rich TV Live. Ill Kid. Cloud Ninja on the beat. Don't panic. Don't panic, you rookies that don't manage. You looking at all the candles, it's a ride and we off the handles. It's the heat, cause we bringing all the kitchens out. Oven mitts for little kids, what you bitching about? Pockets when they tingling, money stay mingling. I'm just getting started, yeah, I'm trying to get the swing of things. You love the green, but you hate the red. It's like you love the sex, but you hate the head. There's no difference, I finish all of your dinners. That mean I'm taking your places, no mistake that you all beginners. You miss me, rinse and repeat, it's Rich TV. You miss me, I'm the one, Jet Li. It's time that we get popping out. I ain't never stopping now. You would think I'm floating in the open way. I cop a cloud. You should even chop around. You should buy a pair of boots. Hated is my stomping ground. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough?
Just sit back and watch the show.
Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic. Market makers are heartbreakers and soft stages. Bring the heat with Kenny just like it's Las Vegas. You hard haters are all figures. I mob like, don't call you on another song. I don't pause, baby. I don't panic. I just mix it up like Shaka Khan. You stay tripping on the sides like a soccer mom. And when it's on, I transform like Decepticon. I can tell your whole future looking at the devil's palm. You too weak, bro. Cause you looking at a 52-week low. These are opportunities to seize, yo. No peace, though. I don't cheat. I just move when I cruise to the G code. Put the limit in. Stop it if you have to. This is mathematics for addicts to latch to. Rich TV Live, he a swell guy. He'll teach you how to buy low and sell high. Yeah. I get money cause it's all sweet. You looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. Yeah, I get money cause it's all sweet. Yeah, you looking at the real wolf of Wall Street. This is how the market goes. It's round and round we go. Where it stops, we just don't know. Don't panic. Why you spend up all your dough? Just sit back and watch the show. Pray that you'll just strike some gold. Don't panic. Something has to be done about this. Mr. Attorney, this is what I pay you for. What can I do? Litigation it is. Quickly. ASAP.
That is the world famous Don't Panic. That now has 2,000 views on YouTube. And Haters Look at Me Now has what? 2,400 views on YouTube. So those are pretty big songs for Ill Kid Music on Rich TV Live on YouTube. Those are two of our bigger songs. We actually had way more views on all of our songs, but I had to remove them because initially Ill Kid was using beats that were He purchased them, but for whatever reason, they were coming back as copywritten. So now all of our music has original beats, original songs, original lyrics, and we're trying to make the music be about cannabis stocks or be about Rich TV Live, be about the community, so that we have a really cool, unique, entertaining group of songs that we can utilize during our show for pretty much any situation. We got FOMO is Real, you know, Cannabis Stocks Resurrection, Don't Panic, Haters Look at Me Now. We got a Christmas song. We got Stocks to Own, Troll Hunting for the trolls. We got a Full Alert. We have Canopy Growth is number 1. We called that since day one. Naked Trading. When we're having a really good day, sometimes we even get crazy and we get naked. This is when we bring out Naked Trading. What do you think, guys? Let me know.
We naked trading out here, baby. Rich TV Live. What the? You can't look at it, baby. Ever seen a pretty trader staying dressed up? I'ma get buck wild, drink till I'm messed up. Sell it in the green, buy it in the fucking red. Every damn day I make another couple hundred red. It's up and down. Sometimes it feel like a merry-go-round. Now tell me how to sound. It ain't about the money, then the shit'll never count. Yeah. Big boss make a boss moves. Yeah. Get a check like I'm winning on a lawsuit. If you wanna know the ticket, it'll cost you. Yeah. Drop it off like a boss load. If you lose lots of money, put a sweater on. Hold it till you pull them by the coins like a leprechaun. Invest only in the gas like a Chevron. Not fuel, talking cracks like a cutting lawns. It's naked trading. Get your clothes off, money falling like it's raining. Naked trading. Never fall, never fading. Naked trading. Strip teams, you please, we not waiting. Naked trading. We on the street every week, we trading. Going up daily, not talking cash, and this shit will never phase me. I'm a wild boy, born in the 80s. Stay close to the weed like we dating. IGNG, simply we be. Double up the money like I mess with a Siamese. Flash on the haters when I pull out the high beam. Rich TV in the house where you can find me. Sergio, always bringing out a hot stock. He a naked trader 9, he won't stop. Step your game up if you want to be the very best. Check the charts.
Oh, shit.
Do your due diligence, money in the bank, then the company is dope. Cash is king, not a thing, not a joke. Water on board, riches on board. Sergio is here now, where's my encore? It's naked trading, take your clothes off, money falling like it's raining. Naked trading, it's a phone, never fall, never fading.
Naked Trading. Naked Trading. Naked Trading. Naked Trading.
Naked trading. Naked trading. Rich TV, naked trading. Naked trading. Naked trading. Naked trading. You get is naked trading. Naked trading. Sergio is naked trading. Naked trading.
You got to trade naked once in a while, man. You got to enjoy it, man. You got to have fun. You got to make money. Stock market is very, very risky. It's very stressful. Most people don't even live past the age of 40 or 50 in the stock market because there's so much stress and there's so many highs and there's so many lows, and you can make money up and you can make money down and you can lose money up and you can lose money down. So the market is crazy, okay? The market is absolutely crazy. What we need to do as a community is we want to be able to find the biggest and the best winners before anybody else. Because if all you did was buy Zoomaway Travel, just that one pick earlier this year, you would have been up 500% on your money. If you just bought one pick that we brought first here on Rich TV Live, Zoomaway Travel, you would have been up 500% on your money. If you were to buy Chronos Group in 2017, when I brought it to you at $2 and it ran all the way to $20. That is 1,000%. Sorry, went to $30. That's 1,500% returns on Chronos Group, which I brought to you first in 2017. 1,500% returns. That's 15 times your money. So if you put $1,000 in Chronos Group in 2017, when I brought it to you guys first, you could have sold when it was at its peak of $30. You should have sold. I hope you did. You should have sold and made 15 times your money. So on $1,000, you would have made $15,000. If you put in 10 grand, you would have made $150,000 on one of our picks. Just one. Forget the fact that this week I brought you guys Solo and that went up 30%. Forget about the fact that last week I brought you guys Meta and that went up 50%. Forget the fact that earlier this year we brought you Zoomaway Travel and that is up since we brought it to you first 500%. 500%. What's the next winner that's going to go up 500%? Is it SBES? Could it be SBES? It's already up over 1,000%. It's up 2,000? No, it's up over 1,000%. So we have 10 minutes left in the trading week. We got 10 minutes left on this Friday the 13th special edition of Rich TV Live, Christmas special edition. And since Christmas is around the corner, why not have a Christmas song? We even got a Christmas song. But you know what? Before that, I want to show you a couple of his new songs. Listen to this one. This is a new one. It's called Get It and Go. When you see a winner, I want you to get it and go. 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 Get it and go.
Get it and go, well, yeah, dealing with fast food. Crew hang, Wu-Tang, you know the cash rules. Smart kid, never did well, fighting in classroom. Giving the bitches bananas, oh God, I just blew the bathroom. Rapping like nuts, ill kid, should've called me a cashew. Bitch, you was sucking a dick, hide you, I'm like, bless you. I see the snake in the grass, that will just test you. I don't give a shit about a hater like I'm using a restroom. Never so good, feel like an outcast. White rapper with the heart that'll outlast. People were saying you acting black, style whack. I should've never give up, cause God, he gave me a wild stack. Suburbs, mansion, swimming pool. Son of a jeweler, you could imagine the shit I was getting to. Call the studio the king, pops building in the rec room. I plan to see the roof, but you grow like a test tube. Outer space, I don't fuck with gravity, no. I'm in your girl's mouth, cavities. Yeah. Rappers come against me, tragedy. I get the gingerbread man, ain't nobody ever catching me. Nah, blaze through, I'm the one, hate two. Gold piece, Jesus, out the park, Babe Ruth, hot head, stay cool. Shots fired, Grey Goose, paramedics, take you. You awake till day 2. Get it and go, yeah. Get it and go. Get it and go. Get it and go, yeah. Get it and go. Get it and go, yeah. Get it and go. Get it and go, yeah. Get it and go. Finna ride, yeah, no. 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 Finna ride.
Yeah, Daddy, that's what I'm talking about. What these rappers are saying here? It's Christmas season. I've got one thing left to say. Let's get it and go.
Dirty tunes, man. Dirty tunes from Ill Kid, man. Dirty tunes. And then he came up with this one. What would I be? What would I be? I like this one too. Ready? What would I be? What could you be? What should you be? What should you become? What have you become? What would I be? From Ill Kid.
Where would I be? I don't know. Look, sometimes I feel like I don't know where I'd be at if it just ain't for rap. Would I be outside on the corner trying to lick some scratch? Would I be flipping on some burgers at a McDonald's branch? Would I be dipping on some bitches, call me Big Mac? Give me some books, I'm headed right off to a private school. It would be hard cause fuck a desk and I don't follow rules. I've probably been the teacher over, yeah, I might as well. But if the dean found out, then my ass would get expelled. Following my father, yeah, I think I'd be a jeweler. My ice would be so fucking cold, I think I need a cooler. Or maybe with my mother, importing all the fashion. I probably dress up in the clothes and then I get to dancing. I really love people, always say hi to strangers. Maybe an architect, building on skyscrapers. I have a green thumb, maybe a landscaper. I pick me a rose and plant some hydrangeas. I'm too fucking dumb to become an astronaut. I smoke myself retarded with all this hash and pot. Maybe just the chronic, chilling out and blowing big smoke. Maybe an accountant taking money from the rich bro. Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Yeah, God forbid I become an alcoholic. Drinking all my pain away, no other way to solve it. Without my poetry, shit, my life would be in shambles. Withdrawing my inheritance so I can go and gamble. Without my music, I would slip into depression. Nobody at the club, ain't nobody on my guest list. I'm feeling stressed out, vexed out my chest now. My one and only, my homie, yeah, that's my best pal. Music and me like I was Nate Dogg. I love my fans, really I wanna thank y'all. The moral of the story, I'm in love with tunes. I get a certain high, look like I was biting shrooms. I love the way at the stage, there's always groupie hoes. Forbid the day that I never hit the studio. And that's real talk. I love this rap shit. Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh? Where would I be if it just ain't for rap? Huh?
That's another amazing tune from Ill Kid. Michael Pack says, bought Meta at 17 last week. Good pick, Rich. Hey, good job, Michael. And you sold today at 26? That's a huge return. Huge return. Congratulations. That's what I'm talking about. People winning. People watching Rich TV Live. People are watching Rich TV Live and people are winning like that. It's not supposed to be that easy to win. But you watch Rich TV Live and you win. Every day. You get winners every single day. Don't buy the losers, buy the winners. Don't waste your time with the trash. Invest in the best. The best is blessed. Invest in yourself. Okay? So I've been saying to people, you guys need to look into getting into the Trading Academy, because if you're not investing in yourself, becoming a better trader, then you're not going to have a lot of success in trading. And if you feel like you struggle with trading at times and you don't know how to look for setups, you don't know how to read charts, you don't know what to do, then you should get training. You should get education. That's why I started a Trading Academy and why we're now building all over the world and training members about this Trading Academy, because there's so many tools and resources accessible to traders If you don't access those tools and you don't even know what they are, you have no chance of success. The market will take your money. You need to educate yourself. You need to train yourself. It's like anything else. In any other job, in any other career, if you're going to be good, you have to go through some initial training. If you get good training and you create good results, you can move up within that company. With trading, it's the one thing that you can do without any training whatsoever, which is really risky because you can lose all of your money. You can literally lose all of your money with one wrong push of a button. And believe me, I've made those mistakes. I've made them all. So I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. Hope you all have a great week. Wanted to go live and talk to you guys about SBES, Meta, DRVD, some of the hottest picks of the week, ZoomAway Travel. These are all picks that we talk about in our community every single day. MedMen, another one that's on fire today. So want to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. From me to you, from IlKid to the Rich TV Live community. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day. It's your boy Rich, your captain. And we out. Peace.
It's that time of year, go on, put your hands up. Sing it till you can't, this gon' be the anthem. Home for the holidays, spend it with your family. Roasting up a turkey, all the kids are eating candy. Looking at the mantle, all the stocking tongue just right. We gon' live it up, we gon' really have a fun night. This is really Christmas, never let your friends miss you. Cause in the end, you can't take this money with you. Presents under trees wrapped up with a big bow. See the smiles on the children, this is what we here for. If I need a new pair of shoes, watch me roll the dice, enjoying every minute. No, you make this the fucking life. Sitting by the fire, you know, sipping on a few beers. I'm wishing everybody Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Dancing like you don't care, feet on the floor, mistletoe hanging, plus the freak on the door. Laughing by the tree, oh my God, my family killing me. Talking about Santa, how we coming down the chimney. You know, right there on the rooftop, we all got a Jones red, get in the food shop. Cause I'm gonna get up and let you right. We're going just right. Cause you know, there's only one now. There's only one night. Don't ever know the magic pass by. The pass by. This life only never one round. We do it just right. We do it just right. Cause you know there's only one night. There's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. Cause this life only never one the city, sipping on some Henny. Damn, I'm feeling litty. Stars in the sky, what a wonderful life. Because we here right now and I don't wanna die. Just wanna spend every minute right here with my loved ones, brothers, sisters, you know, my cousins, aunts, and uncles. You know the rest, yeah, the whole family over my spice. And yes, I know sometimes you really have your day wrong. But here's a cup with some rum, pour some eggnog. We gon' live it up, boys feeling glorious. We gon' do it big like the man notorious. Wishing that the new year staying prosperous. Lots of wealth, lots of health, that's the obvious. Watch out for the haters in the audience. Fuck the negativity, stay positive. We do it just right. Cause you know there's only one night. There's only one night. Don't ever let the magic pass by. Don't let it pass by. Cause this life only never one
Time. Time for the running of the Bulls. Let's go. Time for the Bulls to run. Time.
IlKid, Cloud Ninja Beats, y'all. Rich TV Live. From the Rich TV Live family to you, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Peace.
Running of the Bulls. It's coming. Get ready. Money Monday. Get ready for your Money Monday.
So you've got dreams.